Common plants in Saudi Arabia. In Saudi Arabia, Makkah al-Mukarramah, Jeddah, you can find common fig, aloe vera, mango tree, common purslane, watermelon, and more. There are 20 types of plants in total. Be sure to look out for these common plants when you're walking on the streets, in parks, or public gardens. 1. Common fig. Ficus carica, colloquially known as the common fig, is a deciduous small tree, or shrub widely known for its sweet, chewy fruits. This shrubby plant has a very, very long cultivation history. The earliest evidence of its cultivation was found in the Jordan Valley, and go all the way back to the 10th millennium BC. 2. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is an evergreen succulent species native to the Arabian Peninsula. The thick leaves are filled with gooey flesh that stores water for survival in its native desert territories. Aloe vera has become a popular houseplant, and is also incorporated into a wide range of cosmetics and skincare products. 3. Mango tree. Mango tree is a large tree native to the Indian subcontinent. It is most well known for the tropical fruit it produces, and mango is the national fruit of India, Pakistan, and the Philippines. Mango tree can also be used for wood after the tree's fruit production is over. This type of wood is highly prized for making musical instruments. 4. Common purslane. Portulaca oleracea, colloquially known as common purslane, is an annual succulent species with reddish stems and tiny yellow, 5-petal flowers. It is used for culinary purposes in various parts of the world, most often raw in salads. Common purslane is also a good companion plant for crops that thrive in moist soils. 5. Watermelon. Watermelon, Citrullus lanatus, is a flowering plant with a vine-like appearance native to Western Africa. Watermelon bears fruit that are widely cultivated and consumed across the world. Watermelon grow in tropical and temperate climates and requires warmth to grow. There are 1,000 varieties around the world. 6. Apple of Sodom. Apple of Sodom, or Calotropis procera, is an extremely poisonous plant. The fruit of this plant ripens in bursts, causing the seeds to scatter. In Jamaica, the fibers inside of the fruit are collected and used to stuff pillows. 7. Neem tree. Neem tree, *Azadirachta indica *, is a flowering tree species related to mahogany, and with an appearance similar to that of the Chinaberry tree. For centuries, it has played an important role in Indian culture. Commercially, the neem tree is used to produce neem oil, pesticides, and cosmetics. 8. Rosemary. Rosemary is a herb with pale flowers and evergreen leaves. It gives off a distinctive scent, and is used in cooking as well as in the making of scented perfumes, soaps, and candles. Rosemary is native to the Mediterranean region, where evidence of its use by humans dates back at least 7,000 years. 9. Cantaloupe. Cucumis mellow includes a variety of melons, including honeydew, cantaloupe, and muskmelon. These melons are an excellent source of vitamins A and C, and are commonly eaten fresh or dried. It is occasionally turned into oil or liqueur. 10. Green amaranth. Green amaranth is an annual herb. In many countries, it is used as a boiled vegetable. The seeds can be eaten as a nutty snack. Green amaranth contains much protein with the essential amino acid, lysine, so it can be an option for vegetarians. 11. Royal poinciana. Royal poinciana, Dilonix regia, is also known as the peacock tree, or the flamboyant tree. It's a Madagascar native and is known for its brilliant crimson or red-yellow flowers. It grows exceedingly fast, reaching its maximum height of around 12 m in a short amount of time. 12. Madras thorn. While the Pithecolobium dulce has pods that closely resemble tamarind, they actually peel away easily. The edible flesh is then separated and eaten on its own or prepared in dishes. Also known as Madras thorn, it has a spiny tree that can grow up to 20 m tall. 13. Moss rose. Moss rose is an ornamental flowering semi-succulent plant native to South America. Gardeners can cultivate this easy-to-grow plant in annual flower beds, in containers, or in hanging baskets because of its trailing habit. Different cultivars have been selected and propagated for achieving striking variations in color, shape, and petal number of the flowers. 14. Butterfly pea. Butterfly pea are revered as holy flowers in India, and are utilized in everyday puja rituals. The flowers of this vine are shaped like human female genitals, hence the Latin name. This plant's pods and leaves are eaten as vegetables, while the flowers are used as an organic food dye and in Ayurvedic medicine in Southeast Asia. 15. Desert rose. Desert rose is widely cultivated as a houseplant, or as bonsai for its beautiful flowers. As a succulent plant originating from the Sahara and tropical Africa and Arabia, it requires a minimum temperature of 10 degrees Celsius to survive. Its sap was used to poisoning arrows in Africa. 16. Castor bean. The castor bean is important for its oil, which is used as a lubricant, biodiesel ingredient, and rodent repellent, among other applications. The plants are now commercially planted globally, with India producing nearly 75% of the world's castor oil. Castor beans cannot be eaten because they contain a potent poison that's released if the seed is broken. 17. 4 o'clock flower. 4 o'clock flower, Mirabilis jalapa, also known as the marvel of Peru, is a perennial, herbaceous, bushy plant with fragrant, showy flowers, commonly cultivated for ornamental purposes. During bloom time, its flowers are closed most of the day. They open between 4 and 8 o'clock, hence the common name 4 o'clock flower. 18. Olive. Olive, Olea europea, is an evergreen tree or shrub with great agricultural importance, especially in the Mediterranean. Its fruits are edible and widely used for making oil. Olive has acquired quite a few symbolic meanings during its long history of cultivation. The most popular symbol would probably be the olive branch, which represents peace and glory. 19. Peacock flower. The peacock flower, Barbados national flower, is a striking ornamental plant commonly grown in public and private gardens. Although the seeds of this flower are toxic if consumed, the fruits are edible. Some parts of this plant are used as medicine by Indonesians and West Indians. This plant is toxic to dogs and cats but provides food for butterflies and bees. 20. Common sunflower. The common sunflower is recognizable for its bright flower on a very tall stem. It is often grown in gardens. These flowers have been important in culture. They were worshipped by the ancient Inca people, and today, they represent eco-friendly movements. The artist Vincent van Gogh made a famous series of paintings about common sunflower. Wild versions of the plant branch out to many flower heads, but domesticated plants typically only have one.